Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro, and I'm excited to be joined today by Patrick Laidlaw, Director of Business Development Integration for WAC Lighting. Hi, Patrick.
Hi, Jason. Thanks for having me today. I appreciate it.
All right, lighting is the hottest category right now in the custom electronics space, and we're all excited to see what WAC Lighting has planned for the upcoming CEDIA Expo Virtual. Tell us about what you've got planned for your booth.
So we're working hard behind the scenes to prepare a really good experience for them. We've got a lot of surprises. One major surprise we'll talk about shortly, but as a company, we've been around for 35 years, cutting edge technology for lighting, and we transitioned into LED lighting, one of the first companies in the lighting industry to switch from traditional light sources to LED. And so we've worked with integration in the past, but our focus really has been the last 2 years on the connected and collaboratively connected world and how integrators do things. So we're really excited about what we have to offer because it's not only new to us, but hopefully new to the integration industry. We've gone so far as to install 3 of the 5 major lighting control systems in our headquarters, and we had plans in February to install the other 2 yet this year, but the pandemic obviously changed that. But we really want to not only provide a quality product in the lighting aspect of it, but make sure that it works with the control systems out there to make the integrator's life as easy as possible. So we'll be featuring some staff, obviously myself, West Coast and East Coast regional sales staff. We'll have engineers involved in our booth as well. We'll post those times.
Tell us about any particular product or service you might have in the virtual booth.
Sure. Jason, we've got a lot of new products we're going to launch, but in my opinion, one of the most exciting things, and you're going to hear it here first at CE Pro, is the launching of a brand new company/brand. We've developed a brand specifically for integration. This is a direct result of feedback we've gotten from the field. ProSource, one of the buying groups we participate in, we're launching a brand new brand with products specifically designed for integration. So we're very, very excited about that launch, as well as a lot of other products that we'll be introducing.
All right, are you going to have any sort of educational offering in the virtual booth?
Sure. At this point, we haven't scheduled anything in regards to education. And the reason for that is we think that this being the first virtual CEDIA, that integrators are going to want to see a lot of things as much as they possibly can in a short amount of time. So we started out this pandemic this year with doing a lot of company overview, Zoom meetings and Skype meetings with integrators through our rep force and also with integrators direct. And so we've broken those down into now through the summer micro webinars where we'll actually work with groups of integrators or our reps or integrators in particular and focus on a particular product category. Because as you know, we do recess track, landscape, tape, lots of other products.
Well, as you mentioned, it's the first virtual expo for you, but it's also going to probably be the first virtual expo for a lot of the attendees too. So to find WAC Lighting in CEDIA Expo Virtual.com, there's a couple of ways. Integrators can go to the search bar in the top left-hand side of the website and just type in WAC and they'll come up and you'll go directly to their booth. Also in the top nav, there's an Expo Hall pull down that'll go, and WAC is in the home tech and automation and control category. So there's a couple of ways for them to find your booth. So Patrick Laidlaw, WAC Lighting, thanks for joining CE Pro today.
Jason, thank you. I appreciate you having me and look forward to seeing everyone in just a few short weeks at CEDIA.